Whose is this?
It's mine.
Whose is this?
It's mine.
Where is my book?
It's in the library.
Where is my book?
It's in the library.
Where did you go?
I went to school.
Where did you go?
I went to school.
Whose guitar is this?
This is our guitar.
Whose guitar is this?
This is our guitar.
Whose idea is this?
It is my idea.
Whose idea is this?
It is my idea.
When will they arrive?
They will arrive by 6 p.m.
When will they arrive?
They will arrive by 6 p.m.
Who is he?
He is my dad.
Who is he?
He is my dad.
Who broke this?
My son broke this.
Who broke this?
My son broke this.
Whose friend is he?
He is my friend.
Whose friend is he?
He is my friend.
Which is mine?
This is yours.
Which is mine?
This is yours.
Who stole the apple?
Snow White stole the apple.
Who stole the apple?
Snow White stole the apple.
Which is your pen?
This is my pen.
Which is your pen?
This is my pen.
Whose is this?
It's mine.
Whose is this?
It's mine.
When are you busy?
I am busy today.
When are you busy?
I am busy today.
Which is better?
This is better.
Which is better?
This is better.
Which is our car?
This is our car.
Which is our car?
This is our car.
How about tomorrow?
Good idea.
How about tomorrow?
Good idea.
How should I know?
She told you.
How should I know?
She told you.
How was your day?
It was good.
How was your day?
It was good.
Why are you late?
'Cause I missed my bus.
Why are you late?
'Cause I missed my bus.
Where is your bag?
It is in the back.
Where is your bag?
It is in the back.
How many books are there?
There are 4 books.
How many books are there?
There are 4 books.
Who are they?
They are students.
Who are they?
They are students.
Do you smoke?
No, I don't.
Do you smoke?
No, I don't.
May I go?
Yes, you may.
May I go?
Yes, you may.
Are you mad?
No, I am not.
Are you mad?
No, I am not.
Who are you?
Your brother.
Who are you?
Your brother.
Are you lost?
Yes, I am lost.
Are you lost?
Yes, I am lost.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am.
Can you come along?
Yes, I can.
Can you come along?
Yes, I can.
Are you ready?
No, I am not.
Are you ready?
No, I am not.
Are you tired?
No, I am not.
Are you tired?
No, I am not.
Where are you?
I am at my home.
Where are you?
I am at my home.
You look busy.
No, it's not like that.
You look busy.
No, it's not like that.
You look sick.
Yes, I am.
You look sick.
Yes, I am.
You should go.
Don't worry, I will be there on time.
You should go.
Don't worry, I will be there on time.